Kitchen countertop is one of the most important part of any kitchen. It serves as the main workspace for cooking, preparing food, and even dining. It's not only added the functionality, but also enhanced the style and beauty of the kitchen. And countertops are available in various materials, colors, and designs. It's allowing for homeowners to choose one that match their kitchen decor and budget. And common materials used for kitchen countertops include granite and quartz, marbles and laminate, and stainless steel and solid surface. Each type has its own advantages. The granite countertops is one of the most popular choice for Indian kitchens. It's strong and durable and heat resistant. Its natural stone patterns with a glossy or matte finish. The price range is the 250 rupees to 600 rupees per square feet. And another one is a quartz countertop. It's made from engineered stone and non-porous, easy to the clean and available in styles and colors. The smooth finish and shiny surface with a uniform patterns. The price range is a 500 rupees to 1000 rupees per square feet. And another one is the marble countertops. It's known for its elegant and luxurious look. It's required regular maintenance. The natural veining and soft texture, the price range is the 300 rupees to 800 rupees per square feet. It's best for stylish kitchens with the light uses. And another one is a solid surface, it's Korean countertop. That means a smooth and seamless countertop made from the acrylic and resin can be molded into any shape. A sleek and contemporary appearance. The price range is a 900 rupees to 2000 rupees per square feet. It's best for premium modern kitchens. And stainless steel countertop, it's heat resistant and hygienic surface, often to the use in commercial kitchens, and it's best for industrial and shiny metallic look. The price range is 700 rupees to 1200 rupees per square feet. It's best for professionals or heavy use kitchens. And wooden countertops, it's added to the warm and natural touch to the kitchen but needs to the protection from the moisture. Its rustic and cozy appearance, its price will be 500 rupees to 1200 rupees per square feet. It's minimalistic and Scandinavian Indian style kitchens. And another one is the ceramic tile countertops. It's made from ceramic tiles and customizable in various patterns and colors. It's creative and colorful. The price range is 200 rupees to 500 rupees per square feet. It's best for budget friendly option. Would you like me to